Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you about Docker inspect, which is a very helpful command to see the container's details. For instance, when you do a Docker run and execute a Docker image to create a container, this container will have a lot of information like the paths, like the status, like the IP address, like the gateway, and so on. So how can you retrieve those details? For that, you can use Docker inspect. I'm going to put the container name, and here as you can see, you will see a lot of details. But for instance, if you focus on the container's IP address, here is where you can see that you can pass this to a JQ command to display it as a JSON, and here you can have the details in a very good way. So this is the way that you can retrieve the container's IP address, and to confirm that's a valid IP address, I can ping it and it will respond. In this case, this container is a SonarQube image, so I can do a telnet to this IP address and the port that I know that is exposed on this container. And as you can see, it is connected as expected. So Docker inspect will be very helpful to get container details. As you can see here, the network information. You will see the entry point or the command that it will run when the image is executed, or when you do a Docker run. All the environmental variables that it will have, all the volumes, all the directories that it will use, all the information here. This is very useful information. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.